Welcome to Consulate General of India, Atlanta. Today we will go through one of the miscellaneous service in details is marriage certificate. Let's get started. Go to Indian Consulate website indiainatlanta.gov.in. Go to Consular Service, Miscellaneous Service, Marriage Certificate. Marriage certificate is issued on the basis of entries in applicant's most recent Indian passport. It can only be issued if most recent Indian passport of applicant and spouse in original with one set of photocopies are presented at the counter or by mail. Applying in person, carry all the original documents to be presented to the consular officer. Fees $25 per attestation. Each applicant for miscellaneous service has to give separate cash or money order or cashier check of US $2 drawn in favor of Consulate General of India, ICWF, Indian Community Welfare Fees. If you want to receive the attestation document back through mail, send a trackable prepaid return mailing envelope. Fee should be paid through money order or cashier check drawn in favor of Consulate General of India. Cash is accepted only if applying in person. And personal check, debit card, credit card or other banking instrument not accepted. Applying by mail, mailing address, supporting documents. Photocopy of all supporting documents should be notarized and attached to the application. Do not send any original documents except the passport and affidavit to be attested. Fees $25 per attestation. How to apply? Download the miscellaneous form and fill this form. Fix a photo and signature, and you can choose other and write here marriage certificate. Attach the following documents: current passports, both Indian and US, in original and photocopy of the first 5 pages. If whoever is US citizens, if they have an old Indian passport indicated spouse names, they can also apply. They have to send both Indian passport and US passport originals. Copy of husband and wife Indian passport indicated names of spouse in their passports. Proof of US visa status, copy of any one of the following. Photocopy of page containing visa and passport, H1B, H4 and I-94, green card, employment authorization, I-797, I-140, I-20. Proof of current US residence proof, copy any one of the following: US driver's license, water, landline, telephone bill, house lease agreement, identification card. Bank, credit card, mobile phone statements not acceptable as a residence proof. Processing time, in-person submission time 10 to 12:30 p.m. same day delivery. Applying by mail 10 business days. And whoever is applying by mail, they have to send the trackable prepaid envelope. Once it is ready, we will send it to you. Use your prepaid envelope, send the document to your address. If you have any other service, you can choose options here and follow the instructions which we mentioned in the website. Thank you.